Alright, it's been about a week since I planted the first vegetables, but since then it has warmed up quite a bit. So I'm at the garden center today to pick up a few more vegetables that I'm going to plant. And I think if they have them all today, it's going to be what I finish out the garden with. I don't want to overwhelm myself the first year, but I think I have a good variety of things that I'm aiming for. So far, I would say that patience has been on my mind when it comes to the garden. Every time I go, I'm super excited to see if anything has like grown or sprouted, and I think that's totally normal, and this is an exciting process, but realizing that this is all on nature's timing and there's not much I can do to control it, so doing what I can to nurture the plants and the vegetables, but ultimately leaving it up to them to show me. So I'm gonna go pick up a few more things and then I will show you what I got and start to plant those. Well, I decided to hold off on some of the vegetables. It is warming up here, but the guy at the garden center felt like it was a little too cold to do cucumber and zucchini. So what I picked up today was a few different types of peppers and of tomatoes. Potatoes. Take a sharp, clean knife, cut the potato into planting pieces or seeds, approximately 2 inches square, and must contain at least 1 or 2 eyes. Okay. Let's do this guy. Trench 12 inches deep, add compost to the bottom, place to be, okay, 3 or 4 inches deep in this trench. These potatoes. Alright, let's see how this goes. Little guy. 18 inches apart, about there. There's beehives out on the other side of where the gardens are, and I have never seen so many bees in my life. They are swarming right now, like absolutely swarming. I don't think you can see them. Oh yes you can. Those are all bees. Oh my god. a ton of these little bugs. I need to figure out what they are. think the roots just look so pretty. I think I am finished up here for today. I planted my tomatoes, my peppers, and my potatoes, and the only things I have left are zucchini and cucumber, which I will do next week. I just finished up watering. It's supposed to rain here tomorrow, so I didn't go too crazy. I'm still trying to figure out the best practices when it comes to watering, but I will be here in between to water. But next week when I plant the rest, I will update you, hopefully see some sprouts of the snap peas and maybe some growth of some things, but we'll check back in next week and I'll see you then.